In today's session, we are going to learn about verb. Now you see here what is verb. Can you define verb? Did you listen the word verb earlier? Can you identify the word verb in a sentence? Now we check. What is verb? A verb is one of the most important parts of the sentence. It tells the subject's actions, events, or state of being. It is always found in the predicate of a subject or sentence. Now here you see what is verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, a condition, a state of being. Here there are three examples. Check the sentence, read the sentences, and identify the verb part. The director squished his nose. His nose is big. The director is squishing his nose. In all these three sentences, you can see after the subject there is a word that is showing or expressing an action. Speech. And next his nose is. Next see the word the director is pushing. In all these sentences there is a verb. Now you see the types of verbs. Do you know how many types of verbs? There are three types of verbs: action verb, linking verb, and helping verb. Action verbs now. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. The action verb tells what its subject does. The action can either be physical or mental. Take example. See the example in the below piece. The farmer feeds the chickens. And the one is he likes the red rooster best. So here chickens are there. In all those, the red rooster is the best for him. So what does it tell the sentence? The farmer feeds. Verb plus S. Action is there. He likes. Here also expression is there. Now see the action verbs. Cup, ran, swallowed, sang, awake, ride. Can you find the action verb in each of these sentences? Read and identify. The girls danced in the recital. Our mailman drove a funny car last week. His teacher wrote the answers on the board. Alice worked on her homework last night. So in the first sentence, dance past tense is there. Second sentence, drove, drive, drove. His teacher wrote, write, wrote. Alice work, work, work. So first one is dance, dance, drive, drove, write, wrote. The last one is work, work. All these four are action verbs. Next is see. An action verb that describes an action that is happening now is called a present tense. The bird flies to the sky. Here flies is a present tense verb because it is happening right now. Many present tense verbs end with s, but some end with es or s. Future tense verbs. Future tense verbs use special words to talk about things that will happen, will, going, shall, aim, etc. So here going to start, will enjoy, shall, email. These words tell us the information about the future tense, or future actions. Next, linking verbs. A linking verb links as a subject to a word in the predicate. Linking verbs express a condition or a state of a being. Here, the cow is blue. The state. Linking verbs. Here, a few linking verbs are available. Check. There are 9 common linking verbs. I am, you are, like, will be, being, become, is, seeing, was, were. These are the common linking verbs. To remember these linking verbs, we can use this in saying all boys in school were. So here am is there, are is there, be is there, being is there, is there, seen is there, was and were. So based on this sentence, you can remember all the linking verbs. Whenever you forget linking verb, you can write the sentence and you can trace what you missed. All boys in school were. A refers to am and offer. B refers to be, being, become. N refers to is, I. S refers to seeing. W refers to was or were of the linking verbs. Helping verbs. The helping verb helps. The main verb express action or precise shades of the meaning. The combination of one or more helping verbs is called a verb phrase. You see the sentence? Elmer was using the computer. Was using verb phrase. Here the list of helping verbs are available. Check it. May, might, must. Be, being, been, am, or, is, was, were. Do, does, did. Should, could, have, had, has. Will, can, shall. All these are the main verbs of these helping verbs. Other things to keep in mind, no need to every sentence will have a helping verb with the main verb. When you see an form of the verb such as running, playing, and be on the lookout for a helping verb also. Sometimes there is another word which separates the helping verb from the main verb. The boy could not find his socks. The helping verb is could and the main verb is find. So here these two are separated by the another word not. A sentence may contain up to 3 helping verbs to the main verb. Here is the example you see. The dog must have been chasing the cat. The helping verbs are must have and been. The main verb is chasing. Now a little practice we can do. Read all the sentences and find the verbs in here. Hopefully it will snow this year. Find the verb here. The student asked his teacher a question. Where is the verb? Jackson is very energetic. You see here, is there. Students in the class were really loud. Find the verb. I'm confused about algebra. The girls sang in the competition. Always do your best. The earth revolves around the sun. In all these 8 sentences, verb forms are there. Find the verb forms and check out your answers at the end. Now you see the answers here. It will snow this year. The student asked his teacher a question. Jackson is very energetic. Students in the class were really loud. I'm confused about algebra. The girls sang in the competition. Always do your best. The earth revolves. Next, a transitive. A transitive verb does not have a direct object. See the example here. The pilot landed the Atlantic airplane. Airplane is a direct object that answers the question landed after the verb landed. Intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are action verbs that do not have a direct object. Linking verbs are always intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs never always answer the questions. Who are what? See the example. The pilot landed carefully. There is no direct object here. Now answering the question is landed what or whom. Now we can take a practice in transitive and or intransitive verbs. Hopefully it will snow this year. Same sentences we are using for practice. Students ask his teacher a question. Jackson is very energetic. Students in the class were really loud. I'm confused about algebra. The girls sang in the competition. Always do your best. They revolve around the sun. Now find the transitive or intransitive. Hopefully it will snow this year. The student asked the teacher a question that is a transitive. Jackson is very energetic. Intransitive. Students in the class were really loud. Intransitive. I am confused about algebra. Intransitive. The girls sang in the competition. Intransitive. Always do your best. Transitive. The earth revolves around the sun. Intransitive. I hope we have a little idea about this. Perhaps once again we can repeat the same session in the next class. Thank you.